So here we go. This is the FFAD3033R1. This is considered the 30-pint dehumidifier. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. Now I'm going to show you how to disassemble this top. First of all, you want to take your handle off. If you notice the two center tabs that's holding it, they're thin. You be careful with them. Pull them slightly back. And be careful. With the other side, just slightly twist it till the pin lines up, and pull it out. Do not get in a hurry to do this, because you will snap this plastic if you're not careful. Like I said, I don't know if the manufacturer suggests you doing this, but if you've got scale in there, the only way you're going to get it out is with a rag. Soap and water's not going to get it out. Now these tabs, they're plastic and will snap and they will break. Now the first two are not too bad. Alright, now this third one, I will warn you, it is tough. It is hard to get out. And I suspect as you get age with this unit, the plastic could become brittle, and I probably would not, unless your top is just really dirty, your reservoir is really dirty down in there, I wouldn't take the top off. Okay, finally got it off. As mentioned, do be careful with it. It will break. Alright, now look down in there. Soap and water will not take this out. All that film. Now this is a little less than a month usage. And I did clean it out with soap and water. But I didn't realize it was that bad. Now watch as I rub with a rag. It's pretty stubborn. But I'm going to show you a quick recipe. Really cheap and really works. See if you rub it. And even with just regular soap, it's hard to get it out. Check this out. This is called Awesome. Some of you are probably aware of it. You can buy it at Dollar General, and it's really cheap. And it really removes stains. Grease, wine, liquor, guns, oil. Now if you'll take your bottle and just spray it in there and let it set for just a few seconds, it starts dissolving right away. Watch this magic. Just like magic. Awesome is pretty good stuff. Yeah, I just, for 1 month usage, I can't imagine where all this scale come from, but Awesome does a heck of a job on it. Check that out. Like brand new. Now I want to show you something for getting in real tight edges and cracks. Down your slides and your edges like that, it's really hard to get out. So you're going to have to use a screwdriver or some kind of flat edge to rub those edges to get it out. See there? Okay, now once you clean it up, what I would do is run water in it and let it set for about 2 or 3 minutes just to neutralize any cleaning agent if there was anything. I definitely would not use bleach in there because I think bleach is bad for any type of vinyl, plastic, or whatever the condition it is, but I would not use that.